Yo, shout out to Guns for putting me on, yo. Yeah, all the way up, all the way up. Not service catch credit. Yeah, what the fuck is that? Look who the fuck's back. Mixtape dropping after me. Good luck with that, enough of that. What's up with that? Cats thinking that they better than me. Never spoke a single word till I say my name and they really get better than me. Crash this word text sent to you from me, bitch. Dead it like overkill. Swerve fast lane driving cause my motor's ill. Time's up, iPhone open, you know the deal. Siri, how should I kill this? Overkill. Stone Cold is a rap, those who were sleeping on me. Too bad it wasn't a catnap. Body couple kick snares and bases roll back in the face. Cause I'm working in my basement, Queensbridge. I'm known in the ghetto, cool sky, no below for being mellow. Kitty say hello, chop it up Chinese style. Shit wisely, I don't kettle, but I burn slow. Quicker. Top shelf, no shit liquor. Green getter, team. I run solo, but I'm a team pitcher. Money over everything, everything after me. Give me all black, everything outfit, and watch how bad I'll be. Like, dead it like overkill. Swerve fast lane driving cause my motor's ill. Time's up, iPhone open, you know the deal. Siri, how should I kill this? Overkill. Dead it like overkill. Swerve fast lane driving cause my motor's ill. Time's up, iPhone open, you know the deal. Siri, how should I kill this? Overkill. Body everything on the map. Coke fiends in the rats. They're in the ghetto king of the trap. It's a dream I can rap. Believe in crap called Illuminati. Fuck that. I'm evil. My wax got an angel on my shoulder. Pistol rap, whistle out of fat. I don't even believe in that. Don't go believe in that shit. High 7, we fly out. And that's on my clip. Tell me lies but make them sound good. Then you're dismissed. I hit the strip. My solo hit my Dougie. Chicks might love me, but this for the chick at the rave wearing shades with her fist in the air screaming YOLO. YOLO, YOLO. Dead it like overkill. Swerve fast lane driving cause my motor's ill. Time's up, iPhone open, you know the deal. Siri, how should I kill this? Overkill. Dead it like overkill. Swerve fast lane driving cause my motor's ill. Time's up, iPhone open, you know the deal. Siri, how should I kill this? Overkill. Yo, I just want to know if everybody's paying attention right now, y'all. Is everybody paying attention right now? I just need to know it. We don't need you to show the love though. That's good, I like that. This next song, I don't even know. Do y'all want to hear a love song? Do y'all want to hear a love song? Yes? Alright. Now I mean this is for anybody that ever been cheated on, you feel me? I know 90% of us, we're gonna do us, you're gonna do you, I'm gonna do me, cause we're going through some shit tonight. We're gonna do us, you're gonna do you, I'm gonna do me, cause we're going through some shit. You say damn boy, you know I hate those plans. Every time I'm leaving out, you wear some girl pants. Stop, chill girl, and let's just keep it real. You know me and I know you and I know just how it feels like. We're gonna do us, you're gonna do you, I'm gonna do me, cause we're going through some shit tonight. I'm gonna do us, you're gonna do you, I'm gonna do me, cause we're going through some shit. You say damn boy, you know I hate those plans. Every time I'm leaving out, you wear some girl pants. Stop, chill girl, let's just keep it kinda cute, yeah? I know just how it feels. I said you got it, you want it, and every guy want it. You link up through text, how we get your number. Don't think when you be sipping, so I drink to no return. I'm going out to find a joint and let that shit burn. Oh, everything you do turns into a little thing for you. I go out and do me, you like it's the middle ring for you. I'm chillin', ain't trippin', you snap back to get a grippin'. Exit my condition, no strings attached, I can't be with it. I'm after the money and the fame. What's cool in time before, this one don't feel the same. I'm getting gone, I ain't say you're wrong. So just listen to the song. We're gonna do us. Mama Ruckus, turn me up on the beat real quick. I'm gonna do me, cause we're going through some shit tonight. We're gonna do us, you're gonna do you, I'm gonna do me, cause we're we're going through some shit. You say, damn boy, you know I hate those plans. Every time I'm leaving out, you and some girlfriends. Stop, chill girl, and let's just keep it real. You know me and I know you and I know just how it feels. Like friends I said fuck up, tell your mama I said hi. Give a kiss to my eyes, girl, and you'll get a kiss goodbye. I won't be up on no bullshit, I will never tell a lie. Some things are worth living for, some things you let die. Love one, hate two, I promise I don't hate you. You should know you're just somebody that I used to know. So if we meet, it'll be like our first meeting. If we don't meet, it'll be like I don't need ya. Cause I don't need you, don't see you, don't want or care, hun. Thank me later on, for now take care, hun. Damn boy, you know I hate those plans. Every time I'm leaving out, you and some girlfriends. Stop, chill girl, and let's just keep it real. You know me and I know you and I know just how it feel like. Yeah. Yo, this is like my second performance, but fuck it, I'm feeling like my own energy, you dig? I'm feeling my own shit.
I feel that energy, why not?
I love you.
Fly out, fly out.
Oh yeah.
Fly over them.
There's some joint called It Don't Matter, because it really don't.
This might be like my comeback month right here. Yeah. Comeback season.
Yo, you see the haters in your spotlight, they don't matter. They don't matter. They don't matter. You see the snakes in your spotlight, they don't matter. They don't matter. You see the exes in your spotlight, they don't matter. They don't matter. They don't matter. You see the money in your spotlight, go after it. Go after it. Put the mic down, I'm strapped now. Bitch, get the fuck back now. Wildin' out on camera, act like you know how to act out. Cash cows, get the milk. Bad bitches take the dick. Animals break the cage. Superstar, nigga take the stage. There's mic on my arm and the clef on my neck. Cross on my arm and the left on my chest. Bands on my feet, skinnies on my legs. Fuck you with my blood and I'm carrying my name on my back. Like a swim with pegs and shit get crazy, I'm crazier. Hair on wave, I'm wavier. Mute my bitch, I'm a slave for her. When I make it, I'm blaming her. I get KKK for her. Sheets I wrote, appreciated. Them niggas degraded her. Kendrick Lamar, Schoolboy Q, A$AP Rock, do what they do. Anyone side, fuck you too. I'll body alone, don't need to have my crew. Haters in the spotlight, they don't matter. They don't matter. They don't matter. See the snakes in your spotlight,
getting that money.
They don't matter.
Driving those cars, wearing those jewels,
see the
buying those clothes,
spotlight,
and fucking them mad bitches.
They don't matter. See the money in your spotlight.
Shoving them
Go
over.
after that. Go after that. Go after that. Wait, hold up. Fuck the bullshit. You know what? I'm the best. Yeah, I fucking said it. If you think different, Mark, now it's time to get that. Point out the bounce. The murders I got that pass to get credit. Buckets on you bitches.
Yeah.
What the fuck wrong with you niggas? 07, I couldn't be stopped. 11, I couldn't get pops. 23, I own that ring. 24, I up my stock. My clique is the shit. White feet don't exist. So interpret how you want. You ain't with me, then suck my dick. If I don't grind, A don't eat. If you don't eat, I'm a beast. Beast without a beauty. Ever seen a pitbull's teeth? A hungry dog that's loyal to their keep. A bone ain't doing shit. When you use the size of me every week. Pause. You pause. Haters in your spotlight. They don't matter. They don't matter. They don't matter. See the snakes in your spotlight. They don't matter. They don't matter. They don't matter. See the exes in your spotlight. They're kind of chilling out here. They don't matter. They don't matter. See the money in your spotlight. Go after it. Go after it. Go after it. Yeah. Yo, Mama Ruckus. Mama Ruckus, can you turn this mic up real quick? Just a little bit. I need him on this next track. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a little too loud, but it doesn't even matter. Oh yeah.
The mic sucks, so I have to like.
I understand that. It's all good. I understand it. A little bit out right now.
Yeah.
Yo, are you getting all this up here? You got everything. You fuck with liquor? Drink in my system, and I'm on the molly. Ask me if I'm turned up, I be like probably all the way 100, all the way 100. my system, and I'm on the molly. Ask me if I'm turned up, I be like probably. All the way 100, all the way 100. Stay on the right 100. Yo, God, we started. Cause they can't hang no Gen 6. What the fuck do they know? Nah, what the fuck do they really know? Ready for whatever comes. God changed my view on this. Thank him, I'm doing this. Got to see that milestone of free man. Lean in towards that money. Is it a kickstand? Getting it back. Playing the rap of a big man. Stay in the back, stay on my back. It's spinning. Trying to breathe, how's the top feel? No thin air, no time for beef. Word to my G's and on my thin hair. I'll do it for me and everything that's ever been there. This ain't where we supposed to be. We expect it to be underneath in the sheets in the middle of the streets. Forget my pamphlet question. Will I rest in peace to the full victims in these streets? Was I victim in these beats? That you banging, found some changes, started grabbing everything that came my way. Cause I wanted all and I needed all. Give some back, you know me, dog. Thought they was my homies. God said 50 shots, no going home.
My system,
And I'm on the molly. Ask me if I'm turned up, I be like probably. All the way 100, all the way 100, all the way 100. Like, yo, God, we started. Strength in my system, and I'm on the molly. Ask me if I'm turned up, I be like probably. All the way 100, like, yo, God, we started. Swerve up, turned up, all the way 100. I be in that track, beat on that honey. Molly wanna kiss, I just wanna fuck, yo. I quit smoking dope, bitch, that just means to pour me out. Patron a piece of rock, pulling up in that drop. I'm flying out, looking like a lava, got this kryptonite. Suck a coke flow, smoke, mo, H-Town, double cup, came down, hold up, pour it up. You know what's up, bitch? Rolling on some Eastside shit, homie, we call it potion. Fuck boy, ain't you type? I slide in, you Johnson Ocean. Keys and mad shit, that should make you bust it open. I'm sliding in your baby, now I'm Johnson Ocean. You gon' fuck click boy, touch this, drink bitches like cognac piss. Instagram for Kim Kanye chicks. Pass out, drink, wake up, drink, swimming pool, skates, bad boy. Long dick, big bang, if I ain't good, most homie, you know my bitch, bang, bang.
in my system,
And I'm on the molly. Ask me if I'm turned up, I be like probably. We all the way 100, all the way 100, all the way 100. Like, yo, God, we starting hard.
drink in my system.
And I'm on the molly. Ask me if I'm turned up, I be like probably. We all the way 100, we all the way 100, we all the way 100. Like, yo, God, we starting. Oh yeah. Got the credit. You know, if you ain't get my name the first time, it's Jason Johnson. You can find me on Reverb Nation. I'm number 10. Facebook, catch me around Middletown. If you look good, catch me here. You feel me?
Catch me now.
Know what I mean? Catch me now, yo. You ain't catch my name. It's Doc Johnson. You can catch that on Reverb, the real Doc Johnson. Know what I mean? Shout out to the dudes from Yonkers, though. Y'all really turned that out. Yeah. Know what I mean? I need your number after this whole shit.
914 in the building.
I feel you, yo. We used to be 914. I wish I had another song to give you, but I don't. You know what I mean? Next time, catch us here. Next time, we'll definitely do it. Thank you. I mean, shout out to Guns, Mama Ruckus, the Sounds Asylum. Yeah.